Today we're going to talk about some grammar concepts from Unit 1 and 2 from last year. So we're going to start with adjectives in Spanish. In order to use adjectives in Spanish, we need to be able to identify the 4 types of nouns in Spanish. So we have singular masculine, MS, singular feminine, FS, plural masculine, MP, plural feminine, FP. And now these 4 types of nouns need adjectives that agree with them. So first we're going to talk about adjectives that must end in O. If you don't have this highlighted on your paper, I would underline it or highlight it. And so if you have an adjective that ends in O and you're describing a masculine singular noun, you keep the O at the end. If you're describing feminine singular, you change the O to an A. Masculine plural, you will add an S to the O. And for feminine plural, you're going to change the O to AS. Again, this is adjectives that end in O only. And there are other types. Each type of noun needs an adjective that agrees with it. Go ahead and highlight that. And if the adjective does not end in an O, add an S or an ES if the noun starts with los or las. So go ahead and highlight that. And just a little hint, you add an S to words that end in vowels, EIU, and we add an ES to words that end in consonant. So that's how you make those things plural. So let's just practice a little. So we're going to change morado and azul to agree with all 4 different types of adjectives. So morado and azul, when talking about a masculine singular noun, will become morado or azul. For feminine or singular, it'll be morada and azul. Notice azul doesn't end in an O, so it doesn't change here. Masculine plural, morados and azules. Azul ends in an L, so we're adding ES. And for feminine plural, moradas and azules. Now we're going to talk about me gusta. Remember, me gusta means to like, or I am pleased by. And when you like one thing or action, you say me gusta. And if you like more than one thing or action, you say me gustan. Notice that there is an N added there. So I like to dance is one action, me gusta bailar. I like cheese, that's one thing. Me gusta el queso. I like books. This is many things. So it is me gustan los libros. I like to run and play. Me gustan correr y jugar. And hopefully that is familiar from last year. Ser. Now we're going to work with ser again this year, but really I want you to be aware of ser in the yo form. So ser is irregular. It means to be. So yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Ustedes, you are, and that's formal. Nosotros somos, we are. Vosotros sois, you all are. Ellos son, they are. Ellas son, they are. Ustedes son, you all are. Remember that ellos is masculine or mixed, and ellas is just feminine. We're practicing just the soy part. I am smart. Soy inteligente. Remember that since it ends in an E, it describes boys or girls. I am funny. Soy cómico if you're a boy. Soy cómica if you are a girl. Hopefully some of these are a little familiar from last year, and we will be reaffirming them again this year.